Ugoko nĩ kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, Moses Kuria nĩ arĩtie na rĩu nĩ amwĩte kwĩra Kinara Oma ahũthĩra lugha fiche thĩinĩ wa post area apostete na nĩ ngũka rĩu lugha ĩno fiche njoke tũmĩtaũre. Moses Kuria arauga the Titanic has hit the iceberg. Remember muthenya wa ira hingo Kinara aokire cold speech yake. The first thing, Kinara arethũkĩirie makĩria ũrĩa athũkĩtie. Tondũ gũtirĩ ũndũ wĩna value andũ maronire. And it's after that speech ya Kinara, rĩu Moses Kuria okĩte akaria. It's after Rigathi wa Gachagua gũka kũleak information ũrĩa Ruto egũka kuga na nĩguo Ruto arokire kuga maũndũ marĩa Rigathi wa Gachagua araugire. Rĩu nĩguo Moses Kuria augĩte. Moses Kuria augĩte ũũ: The Titanic has hit the iceberg. Titanic the mutio nĩ meri ĩrĩa nene mũno ya sinkile. Na Titanic ĩno ya gũtha kana ya hit iceberg. Mai nĩ mambĩtie kũingĩra na nĩ gũkunĩka marakunĩka Titanic ĩno. Atĩ kwĩna indo kũu thĩinĩ ta mbia na kĩcietha a safe place, no atĩ kwĩna group igĩrĩ. Wives kana atumia. Ene Titanic ĩno. No gũkuũrwo marakuũrwo kũrĩa. Rĩu nĩ arĩa maetha top powers. Acio nĩ ao Kindiki, Oparanya and so on and so forth. Kĩndũ mũthomere exactly ũrĩa Moses Kuria augĩte. Njoke tũtaũre message ĩno ya Moses Kuria. And it's after speech ya mũtongoria wa bũrũri ira. A speech ĩrĩa ĩragũthire ihiga na njĩra nene mũno. In fact, ndikana Kinara nĩ recover anytime soon thutha wa speech yake na njĩra ĩrĩa ĩragũthire ihiga nayo. Moses Kuria augĩte ũũ: The movie is the Titanic. The movie is the Titanic. The ship has hit the iceberg. Water levels are near full inside the ship. It's clear to all excited to the bottom of the sea. The passengers are prepared for the worst. Even the rats are scampering for safety and looking for an exit. But two groups remained oblivious. The band continued playing the music like nothing was happening. And voices of the nobles and the rich were still quarreling loudly about who will sit on the front row. So, the movie is Titanic. The ship has hit the iceberg. Meri ĩno nĩkĩ? From my point of view, nĩ regime ĩno ya UDA. Water levels are near full inside the ship. It's clear to all excited to the bottom of the sea. The fact is, kila mũndũ nĩonete regime ĩno nĩ kũgwa ĩragwa, regime ĩno nĩ kũinũka ĩrainuka, na ikiwa Moses Kuria auga it's clear atĩ meri ĩno after kũgwa the iceberg yaihũra maĩ nĩ gũkinya ĩrakinya bottom of the sea nĩ sinkĩte. Acoka kauga the passengers are prepared for the worst. The passengers are prepared for the worst. Passengers aya nĩ arĩkũ? Na nĩ arĩa makwamĩire meri ĩno ona matiatha safety. Kawajiko, Wamobi, Ishongwa, and the rest. Na Mafoso, Ashio, the rest. Even the rats as company for safety and looking for exit. Ationa bia ni the halia she get call she safe kana ka exit ha she gimira. But two groups remained oblivious. The band continued playing the music like nothing was happening. Ati kwina badi ĩno no ĩrenda na kũina rwĩmbo titahe no ũrathi na mbere. Badi ĩno nĩ ĩrĩkũ? Atongoria arĩa marathi na mbere kusifu mũtongoria wa bũrũri. Ya amefanya Junet Mohamed, unaona? The like of Junet Mohamed, tunataka power, unaona? Garuia, unaona? Hiyo ndio band I hope no market. Mona auria akawaji kuna ashioge the rest a faith get ashiothe wote group iramuhoria ki rwimbo ruo maraina Ruto tutam ara tutam the band no irathi na mbere wikoria kwina rwimbo And the wives of the nobles and the rich were still quarreling loudly about who would sit on the front row. Ati atumia aitanga na itoga no kukuolokana ni manegene tumara maholena kuria atiriri no owikara in front row. Atumia ni hao aitanga ici mararia Kindiki, Oparanya and the rest. Guys, so the wives are still quarreling. No wikara haria mbere no kuheo giti kia DP oguo niguo mutha ndona akimanisha ni Oparanya ni ndirenda Joho ni ndirenda. They are still quarreling. Kindiki ai roko kuria ni kuganisha murima na kinaki. They are still quarreling. No okwe number next. No riri Titanic kenoi neguthire higa nego sink ne ihorire mae. The same case na regime eno ni kuisha maneno no rewe kole na president worship kole thini president worship ai leo nio mara kinara we nowe nweka wega shanira ruta wira yet ina mathina maingĩ muno. Education system is sawa yet aishi university kwina mathina maingĩ muno na kwina andu school fees mane thina gwikarite yet for you uri wina thina. Moses Kuria has told Ruto the truth. Reality ni ate ogwo niguo kore regime eno has sinked the way Titanic ship sinkire, and you all know the story of Titanic ship. In fact, amathondekire Titanic ship mbere ya maugite atia itana singa maugite atia ati ona Ngai na kaundu maugite gakunyururia Ngai ati ona Ngai agika atia Ngai sink. There's something like that. No je kugoria exactly maugite no ena kaundu takau ati ona eno Ngai dage me sink. But what happened? It sank later. So eno meri ya UDA kwena ndo marauga kina guthie kundathie no ngina ngethi miaka 10 riwe eri waro tutajaza but sinking meri ne kiria ne kinyeta handu ne guthira yathira. And that's reality ya uria kuri tha ici kwena ndo marauga to deputy president no meri ne sinkire meri diriho regime ino diriho kinani kuinuka reinuka. That's reality. He doesn't have numbers. Otie kedwe na kio. He doesn't have numbers. Niageretie kuga IBC makaria ukakuga no live streaming agatia. They are testing water with nakona shiothe. They are testing water nakona shiothe. Guys, that's reality. No mwana wa Ruto ni mbaya. Na very soon you kuona barele yuko thini wa UDA. Very soon you kuona harele yuko ekuo. Very soon you kuona yuko na mass extras thini wa regime ino. Very soon ne damu ya thini wa video yako emwe mutongoria bũrũri akaroga magao akona atie mundu thutha wake na akona mundu ne mutheore wa tunataka power. No ona Junet Mohamed aciothe no mekumuherera na riu tugege to Mount Kenya region wa Saditi ni megutigwa nao ona ni mekugeria kwehera but it's too late. Na Moses Kuria arageria kuga it's too late na uguo niguo kuri modo maikarite uguo. Guys, go on go podcast mwani manyi mako inyuma na hata thank you gama tia mathime guys, it is what it is kwani iko nini. Thank you, God bless you.